everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to share the Walgreens ad preview for July 28th through August 3rd. I think it's the last week of the Walgreens booklet, so make sure you guys, if you have any deals for that, make sure you guys can use it up. But they do have the Scott's deal for $5, and then in the Walgreens booklet there is a $1.25 off coupon. Plus, we will be getting 50-cent off coupons, making them $3.25. Now, a lot of you guys are saying, well, my store doesn't let me stack coupons. Right there, it proves that you guys can stack the Walgreens ad coupons with the regular manufacturer coupons. So, if you guys ever have problems at your store, show them that, take a picture of it, or just, there's always an ad where it shows it. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. Now we are not getting any Tide in the P&G as far as I know of. So just giving you guys a heads up with that, but they do have some Tide for $4.99. We're getting $2 off digital coupons, making them $2.99. I do not think that's the greatest deal, especially for Dawn dish soap. No, but it's up to you guys if you guys really want to do that. They have Planters Nuts, buy one, get one free. Now we do have the Crest on sale. Now we are not getting Crest coupons either. We are getting like the Crest gum, and then there's also the twin pack, but not the singles for $1 like we usually get. So, but there is some digital coupons that you guys should be able to use. There is a $1 digital, I know for sure. So if they are $2.99, you guys use that $1 digital, you guys will get it for $7.97. Or you would pay $7.97, but then you get a $7 registry reward when you buy 3, making them 97 cents or 32 cents a piece, which is a pretty okay deal. But we do have some of those digitals that I said to wait on. But they are there's an 8 off of 4, and then there was also a 4 off of 2, I think. I'm not sure on that, but make sure you guys, if you still have those digitals, definitely do that. They got Snickers and Reese's Pieces bars, 3 for $3. Purex is buy one, get one free. They have it, Dove, you get 3,000 points when you buy 3. Not the greatest deal. M&M Skittles, 69 cents. A lot of the medicines or vitamins are buy one, get one free. You love Skittles. Here they got the Pantene deal. They're 3 for $12. We're getting 5 off of 3 coupons. If you guys spend $12 or $20 or more, you get a 5,000 points. I think that comes out to be like $1.25 a bottle, if I did my math. I didn't write it down, but there's that. Pampers, 2 for $18. You get a 5,000 points when you spend $20. I do not know if baby wipes are included in that deal. Otherwise, I would totally do that deal, but not sure what's included. This is one deal that I absolutely love, is when the 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, A&W, Sunkist, and Canada Dry products are 3 for $7.99. I love this deal because I always tell myself, never pay more than $2.50 for a 12-pack of pop. But it's very rare to get 12 packs of pop or soda for $2.50. So these would be actually $2.66 a piece if you guys did this deal. So I think $2.66 is a good deal. So just wanted to share with you guys with that in case you want to get some pop. I always stock up on root beer when I see this deal. Extra is 3 for $4. It comes out to be like $1.33 a piece. It's okay if you guys really like it. Here they have the thermos bottles. Now you get $6. It says coupon savings $6 with $2 off coupon. Oh, so it looks like it's $8 and then it comes out to be $6, I think, is what I'm reading. But it's an okay deal. A lot of food deals, Gushers, applesauce, a lot of back to school stuff. Getting ready is 2 for $4. Truvia and Splenda is buy one, get one free. They got Nature Valley 2 for $5, Nutella $2.99, tuna 4 for $5, gum, yeah, not much really popping out. I don't see anything really popping out. Here is liquor. Now they do have this spiked seltzer and the White Claw for $14.49. Now this is different for every single person. But you get a $12 mail-in rebate. I just mailed in my rebate for the spiked, and I also had a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So if I decide to do that again, I could do it again. My husband actually thinks it's pretty good. I just have to do it at a different household address because it's limit 1 per household. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. They got Sutter Homes, $5.99, $3. Savings rewards when you buy 2. Not really sure what savings rewards are. Play-Doh is buy 1, get 1 free. Prints are 12 cents each. I have so many prints I need to like go through. We went to Vegas like 5 years ago and I have yet to print those off, and Disney, so I need to just start making a pile of prints to print. Now, back to school stuff. You're going to start seeing more and more deals. Markers are 99 cents. I probably will be doing a $5 challenge for you guys. Because we need markers. And they have notebooks and pencils and scissors, erasers, index cards, and little memo notebooks for 49 cents. They have loose leaf paper and the composition books for 99 cents. And then some other stuff for other prices that we don't like to pay. Backpacks are buy 1, get 1 free. Usually you guys can get those for $3. So check that out. They have some locker accessories, buy 1, get 1 free. And then some binders, buy 1, get 1 free. Ooh, Ziploc. I haven't seen Ziploc on sale for a long time, but it is 2 for $6. I miss getting the register rewards for those. Dixie and Vanity, buy 1, get 1 50% off. Don't do that. I like it when they have buy 1, get 1 free. Just giving you a heads up on that. Clorox is 2 for $5 with a $1 off coupon. We are getting some Febreze coupons, I think, for buy 1, get 1 free for the P&G. So those come out to be $3 for both of them. Now we're in the medicines. Not really much popping out. It's not the greatest week for couponing. Not the greatest week. Here they have Johnson's buy 1, get 1 50% off. You get 5,000 points when you guys spend $15 for Aveeno, Desitin. So that's a pretty good deal. Here we got Purell, $1.99. There is an online coupon to make it 99 cents. We also had some printable coupons on coupons.com. So definitely do that deal. 99 cents I think for Purell is good. I like to give that stuff to the school. So Ben's going to an actual preschool this year. So I'm actually going to give them extra stuff just in case they need anything. Here we got Shea Moisture, 30% off. Nexus, 25% off. Herbal Essence, 2 for $12. It looks like we're getting a 4 off a 2 coupon in the, what am I reading? In the P&G. If you guys want to do that, do that. It ends up being like $3 a piece if you guys want to do that. I really don't think that's a good deal. Schick razors, $5.99. We got $4 off coupons. We also have some other coupons. I have to check and see what those are. But you guys get 5,000 points when you spend $20. Razors are $7.99. We're getting $2 off coupons. Plus you guys will get $3 off, making it $2.99 for razors, which is still an okay deal. Still an okay deal if you guys really need razors. Here they got, was it Revlon and Almay, $5 register rewards when you off the next purchase. It doesn't say anything to that, and then you get there's going to be $3 off coupons in the newspaper. Yeah, and then around here it's National Lipstick Day on July 29th. I don't know if this is a one-day thing or not, but if you spend $15 on lipstick, you guys will get 5,000 points. So those are deals. Do not pay with points. Do not pay with points. Almay, we're getting $3 off coupons. Yeah. When I looked at the coupon preview ad, it didn't say anything about Almay or Revlon, but they might surprise you on that. Here is Colgate toothpaste, $4.99. We have $1 off coupons, making it $3.99. Then you guys get a $3 register reward, making it 99 cents. It's an okay deal. Here is a Colgate White. They're $3.99 again with a $1 off coupon. You guys get 5,000 points when you buy 2. So those come out to be 50 cents a piece. Okay deal. And then here is the last page of the Walgreens ad, and a lot of it are P&G items. So they got, I know this gum, we're getting this gum coupon, and then I don't know if the twin packs of toothpaste on there, but it says if you spend 10, you get 5,000 points, so that could be a good deal right there. Baby wipes, buy one, get one 50% off. Yeah, so I'm hoping there's some good deals. Lots of Gain, $4.99, $4.99, $4.99. So I'm hoping there's some good deals, but it's an okay week. hopefully we can get some stuff that really surprises us. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.